Our Honeywell thermostat is giving us a notification of a faulty sensor and suggests to replace the thermostat.
Have you replaced your Honeywell thermostat or parts of it before? If so, how long ago?
I replaced it with a new thermostat this morning and getting the same error message with the new thermostat.
How long has this been going on with your Honeywell thermostat? What have you tried so far?
I don't know how long the previous thermostat was giving the message. We just noticed it this morning, so I bought a new thermostat and it immediately is giving the same warning.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nothing else.
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is will do all I can to help you with your issue. I'm sorry to hear about the trouble you're having. That can be frustrating. Let's see if we can get this squared away. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. Please be patient, it can take a few minutes for me to respond. Sounds like you need to replace the sensor.
Am I still waiting for your response, or is that it?
Did you see my response that you need a new sensor?
What sensor? Is this a sensor in my furnace, or in the thermostat?
You said your thermostat, old and new, indicates a faulty sensor. There are several possibilities. The sensor could be a floor sensor if you have radiant heat. It could be an outside sensor if you have a heat pump, or it could be a remote room sensor. What's the model of the thermostat?
RTH 9585WF.
This model has no external sensor. Call Honeywell directly at 1- for further assistance.
Okay.
Thanks for using Just Answer. If you have more questions in the future, let me know. I'm here to help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.